Good morning from Camp Walden. It's just past 10 o'clock and there has been a lot of activities this morning, and because I'm here for 3 days only and most of the people are staying for the whole week, 7-8 days, I just thought I'll do activities, and there is a lot of mind stuff happening here, you know, lectures and things, just too much information, and we can only actually people can only make us remember what we already know. So it's good to kind of get into activities you feel like doing, you literally feel like doing and resonate with, I believe. So that's it's good to be spontaneous. What I'm wanting here to say is be spontaneous. Change your mind if you feel like. Just don't force yourself. Be kind to yourself. Because when you force yourself into doing some things, you create unnecessary stress in your body, and that is not always the best idea. So I just thought I would share this with you. Stay in the moment and do what you feel like doing. If it doesn't resonate with you, just go and do what you enjoy doing. So what I've done, I had a good sleep. I went to bed reasonably early, at about 11, and peaceful sleep, nice and quiet. In the morning we went for a jog with the group. Thanks Durian Rider for initiating these activities. And then I wanted to go to some lecture because I don't know what was happening. I haven't seen updated program for today. And as I was coming back to my tent, I saw a group of bicycle riders ready to leave. And there he was, Harley Johnston, initiating the group. So I just went to the shed and grabbed a bicycle. All the equipment here is free to use. You just go and borrow something you enjoy doing and you go. So I managed to get a water bottle from the tent and caught up with them down the road. So beautiful bike ride, and now I feel like going for a swim to chill out a bit in the water. Yesterday I was on a canoe on the nearby lake, beautiful lake. Went around a little island, came back for an hour in a canoe, and I was surprised how warm the water is. So now it's time for a swim and to enjoy the rest of the day, and to get to Albany tomorrow morning for a car rental to go and see Niagara Falls. Looking forward to that as well. But most importantly, today, here and now. So wherever you are, be there and make the most of your day. Bye bye.